Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving deep into a high-end piece of audio gear that promises to elevate your listening experience, the iFi iDSD Diablo 2. This DAC and headphone amp combo has been generating quite a buzz since its release, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. Starting with the design, the iDSD Diablo 2 sports a striking red finish that's hard to miss on any desktop setup. It's compact but solidly built, measuring 29 by 85 by 166 mm and weighing 455 g. The chassis is intelligently designed with cooling rails and adjustable wings, allowing for flexible placement whether you prefer a vertical or horizontal setup. The front panel features a large analog volume knob with a sliding lock, which is a nice touch for precise volume control. In terms of features, this device is packed to the brim. It offers both balanced and unbalanced outputs, accommodating various headphones and setups. Inside, it houses a dual-core Burr Brown DAC chipset capable of handling digital audio files up to 768 kHz and DSD 512, along with full MQA decoding. Connectivity options include Bluetooth 5.4 with aptX lossless support, ensuring high-quality wireless audio streaming. Setting up the iDSD Diablo 2 is straightforward, whether you're connecting via USB-C or using the Bluetooth pairing feature. The inclusion of multiple adapters and cables in the box, such as USB-C to Lightning and optical adapters, enhances its versatility. It's also worth noting the IE Match switch for in-ear monitors, which helps optimize performance depending on your headphone type. Now, let's talk about the most critical aspect: sound quality. The iDSD Diablo 2 delivers a detailed and articulate sound signature across the board. It excels in rendering intricate details and maintaining a balanced soundstage, making even complex mixes sound natural and cohesive. Whether you're listening to high-resolution audio files or streaming via Bluetooth, the Diablo 2's performance remains consistently impressive. However, it's not without its nuances. While it handles mid and high frequencies with finesse, some may find the low-frequency impact to be slightly lacking in weight. Dynamic range, though respectable, could benefit from a bit more depth during intense musical passages. These are minor considerations, though, in the context of its overall performance. In conclusion, the iFi iDSD Diablo 2 is a standout performer in the world of DACs and headphone amps. Its meticulous design, robust feature set, and superb sound quality make it a compelling choice for audio enthusiasts who demand nothing but the best. While it may not be perfect for everyone, particularly those seeking heavyweight bass or extreme dynamic peaks, its overall performance and versatility earn it a solid recommendation from us. That wraps up our review of the iFi iDSD Diablo 2. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tech insights. Let us know in the comments what you think of the Diablo 2 or if there's any other product you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned to Product Critique.